How to get a huge credit limit increase from Chase Bank. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about getting a huge credit limit increase from Chase Bank. So a credit limit is the maximum amount you can spend on your credit card before paying off some balance. Smart card use and timely payments can boost your limit and enhance your credit score. However, a higher limit may encourage overspending. So considering these factors for managing your credit limit and seeking an increase is really important. So the ways to request your credit limits increase is, if you're looking to increase your credit limit, there are several ways to go about it. First of all is the online request. Many credit card issuers offer the option to request a credit limit increase online through their website or use their portal. Simply log into your account by submitting your request, and in some instances, you might need to update your details like your yearly income and more. Contact your credit card provider, check the back of your card for the customer service number and give them a call to inquire about your eligibility for the higher limit, and you may need to answer some inquiries regarding your request and financial status, and if you meet the criteria, they can process your request. The decision could be instant or take up to 30 days. At times, credit card issuers may raise your credit limit automatically based on the factors like the lengthy account history and timely payments. If this occurs, they will likely notify you of the increase. So keep an eye out for any messages, and some providers may boost the limit every 6 or 12 months without your needing to request it. So the key factors for a credit limit increase is that the credit companies consider various factors for a credit limit increase: timely payments, more than minimum payments, income changes, credit score, maxing out credit, credit utilization ratio, card age requirement, and considerations before increasing limit and before raising your credit limit. So before raising your credit limit, you have to consider the impact on your credit report. You must be able to make timely payments and also have all the necessary information ready and defend your need for the increase and choose a good time to request. You can improve your approval odds maintaining a good credit card score, reducing outstanding debt, including all the income sources, and you can have benefits of the higher credit limit by avoiding needing for a second card. So consider whether you want to request a credit limit increase on your existing card, and if you decide it's the right time to increase your limit, call the phone number on the back of your credit card. So this was all about how you can get a huge credit limit increase from Chase Bank. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.